Hello, lovelies. You are welcome to the second episode of Catching Up with the Law. Yeah, this is my attire for today. I have decided that we are going to switch it up a bit. And I'm not going to be communicating in English today. I'll be communicating in Pidgin. Let's go freaky about it. My name is Adamere Uche. Not your regular lawyer. Not a regular esquire. E get gist wey I bring come. Na gist wey happen for High Court of Calabar. Wetin the gist dey talk about? E get two persons wey dey fight to be village head of Idebe Ekot Esu. So if as dem dey fight to be village head, the second defendant wey be the governor of Calabar, e con go give certificate of recognition as the village head. E go give am to the first defendant. Na there wahala for burst out. Na the other person wey dey follow am drag the title say e no go gree, carry am go court. Make I tell you wetin court come judge. The person wey the court come tilt to im favour, I go tell una. The court come talk say, first of all, because the things wey dey emanate, the things wey dey bring come, so wey court judge be say whether village, because the whether village head na public officer. I go tell una wetin bring that question. You know say this matter happen for Calabar High Court. As e happen for Calabar High Court, Calabar High Court come decide and finish. The person come talk say no, e no satisfy am, say make dem carry am go court of appeal. As dem carry am go court of appeal, you know the argument wey the person dey argue? The person dey argue say normally time don pass for dem to bring that action come up. The matter don reach 10 months wey they don make them say, wey they don give the defendant certificate of recognition. They don give Mr. B certificate of recognition. Say time don pass before Mr. A go realize wetin happen. Time don reach 10 months. And normally under public officers, their act, their protection act say if you wan bring action against a public officer, you go be within 6 months. Once 6 months pass, the matter don die be that. You no go fit bring am come court. Court no go get power to exercise for that matter. So the lawyer wey be Mr. B come talk say no, they go go court of appeal o. Say time no pass because village head no be public officer. Na wetin dem bring say make dem decide. You know wetin court of appeal come talk? My people, una wan hear wetin court of appeal talk? Court of appeal come talk say village head true true no be public officer, but the governor of Calabar wey give am that certificate of recognition, they also sue am for that same matter. Na him be the second defendant for the matter. That governor, he na public officer and he dey exercise public duty. So since he na public officer, they for sue the governor within 6 months. As e be say they don wait reach 10 months before they sue am, matter no dey again. Now the man come dey argue say what of the first defendant? They say true true na traditional head of village na he be and no public officer. But my people, now know this parable dey talk say if oil rub one hand, e go rub the other hand. E come happen for the favour of the second defendant. The first defendant be say since e be say governor na public officer, at the same time that same benefit wey e enjoy, wey dey talk say case no dey again, e don shift enter governor body because na the same rope na tie two of them for the matter. Na so e take happen, my people. Na so e be. So that case wey I just give una the story, so na the case of Effa and Effa. We don come to the end of catching up with the law. I decided to switch it up a bit today, just so we can have a flavor of something else. I know you like my outfit. Thank you. Stay tuned. And if you prefer me to be saying it in Pidgin, drop your comments below. If you prefer it to be in English, drop your comment below. Love you guys. Keep watching. Bye.